Hi class 6th, how are you? Hope you all are at your home and are safe. Class 6th, you might have got your syllabus also, and in syllabus we have completed the writing portion as well as the literature portion. What is left is grammar. In grammar we have done sentence, and today I am explaining you noun. What is noun? Noun is basically any naming word. नेमिंग वर्ड अगर वो नाम है तो वो नाउन है. पानी, हवा, राम, मोटर, स्कूल, टीचर, ये सब क्या हैं? नाउन है. तो इफ़ एनी वन आस्क यू व्हाट इज़ द डेफिनेशन ऑफ अ नाउन, तो सिंपली से सर एनी नेमिंग वर्ड, कोई भी नाम वाला शब्द नाउन है. और वो कुछ भी हो सकता है. दैट मे बी अ पर्सन, दैट मे बी अ प्लेस, दैट मे बी अ फीलिंग, दैट मे बी एनी मटीरियल. That is why when you were in class 3rd and 4th, you used to learn the definition. A noun is the name of a person, place or thing. Name of a person, place or thing. The same I am saying, that noun is what? A naming word. Okay, that can be anything. An animal, a boy, a city, anything. So what is noun? Noun is a naming word. Then after that we will study the kinds of noun. How many kinds of nouns are there? You studied the same thing in class what we call in 5th also. There are basically 5 kinds of noun. One is called proper noun, one is called common noun, one is called collective noun, one is called material noun, and one is called abstract noun. Okay, how many I told you? 5. Proper, common, collective, material, and abstract noun. First, I will discuss what is common noun. Common noun is general name of anything, any person, any place, any animal, any feeling, general name. Such as a car. There are many kinds of car. You can say car. Such as a cat, a book. All these are what? Common noun. Cat, car, book, river, village. Okay. So the general name for any category is called common noun. Now after common noun, I am taking proper noun. What is proper noun? I just told you that common noun is the general name of anything, and proper noun is the specific name of things. Such as first I told you a car, but if I say Honda, then it is proper noun. Such as I say cat. So what is cat? Common noun. But if I say pussy, if suppose that cat's name is Pussy, so that is her specific name, then it is pussy is what? Proper noun. Similarly, I told you common noun as a book. But if the book name of the book is Harry Potter, then Harry Potter is what? Proper noun. Okay. So a specific name to a common noun is a proper noun. River. is a common noun, but Ganga is a proper noun. Such as Ram is a good boy. So here Ram is proper noun and boy is common noun. Similarly, Ghaziabad is a big city. So Ghaziabad is proper noun and city is common noun. Similarly, my dog's name is Jackie. So dog is common noun and Jackie is proper noun. Is it clear to you? Sunday, proper noun, because it is the name of a particular day. If we call only day, then it is noun. Okay, after proper noun, then what comes? Collective noun. Collective, collection. Collective से पता लगता है collection. And collection of something is called group. And the name of a group, whether it is a group of people, group of things, group of cities, or whatever it is, if it is a group, then it is collective noun. So collective noun is the name for the group of people, place, animal, or things. Such as if there is one key, so that is common noun. But if there are many keys, so for the group of keys, what we call a bunch. So bunch is what? Collective noun. A bunch of keys. Similarly, ship, एक जहाज, common noun. Titanic, proper noun. लेकिन कई सारे जहाज हैं, तो ग्रुप ऑफ ऑल दो शिप इज कॉल्ड फ्लीट. अ फ्लीट ऑफ शिप्स. Similarly, if there is animal, animal is what? Common noun. But if there are many animals, then it becomes a group of animals. Then we call it herd. H-E-R-D, herd. Herd of cattle. Fleet of ships. Bunch of keys. Bunch of grapes. Army is also a collective noun. Why army is a collective noun? Because it is a group of soldiers. Even classroom, class is also a collective noun. Why? Because class is not made up of one student. It is a group of students. Public, mob, all these are what? Collective noun. So three things are clear to us: proper, specific name, common, general name, collective name for a group. And then comes material noun. Material, as it is clear, matter. Matter by which we make the things. We make the things. Suppose you have a cycle, but cycle is made up of iron. So iron is material noun. You have a ring on your finger, so that ring is made up of either gold or silver, so it is material noun. Jute, material noun. Copper, material noun. So of all the matters of which things are made, those are called material noun. Once again we revise: proper, specific, common, general, collective, group, material, matter. And then comes abstract noun. बेटा these are special types of nouns. इससे पहले हमने जितने नाउन पढ़े, we can see them, we can touch them. But noun, abstract noun is a noun which we cannot see, we cannot touch, but we can feel. Okay, so abstract noun is the name of any quality, feeling, or any idea, such as truth, सच्चाई. या किसी चीज़ को तो कहते हैं, नाम तो है कुछ, बट हमने कभी देखी नहीं है, हमने कभी टच नहीं किया, लेकिन नाम तो है. ट्रुथ, दैट इज abstract noun. फ्रीडम, जानते हैं क्या होता है, कुछ नाम है किसी चीज़ का, बट वी हैव नेवर सीन इट, वी हैव नेवर टच्ड इट, so but then it is abstract noun. If you feel it is a name but neither it is specific nor it is common nor it is group nor it is matter, then it is absolutely abstract noun. And abstract nouns are made from either verb or adjective or noun, उनसे ही बनते हैं. Such as happiness. Happy is an adjective, but happiness is a noun. So I think all these 5 are clear. 5 proper, common, collective, material and abstract noun. Other than that, there is one more thing which is to be discussed in noun, that is countable and uncountable nouns. Countable and uncountable nouns. Countable nouns are those nouns which you can count, जिनको आप गिन सकते हैं. मैं कहूँ जरा गिन के बताओ कितना पानी है, बता पाएंगे आप? कह पाएंगे आप 1 पानी 2 पानी? नहीं कह पाएंगे. तो दैट इज़ नॉट अ काउंटेबल नाउन. Countable nouns are those nouns which can be counted and which can be written in singular as well as in plural. काउंटेबल नाउंस वो होते हैं जिनको हम काउंट कर सकें और उसको हम सिंगुलर में भी लिख सकें और प्लूरल में भी. जैसे एन एप्पल या 2 एप्पल्स, देखो सिंगुलर में लिखा और प्लूरल में भी. अ डॉग और मैनी डॉग्स. अ बॉटल और मैनी बॉटल्स. बट uncountable nouns are those nouns that cannot be counted and they cannot be written in plural. उनकी प्लूरल फॉर्म भी नहीं होती. मैं कहूँ जरा हाँ भाई राइस बताओ कितने हैं, क्या कहोगे? 1 राइस 2 राइस. मैं कहूँगा भाई जरा शुगर दो, आप क्या कहोगे? 1 शुगर 2 शुगर. या मैं कहूँ जरा बेटा मुझे कॉफ़ी पिलाओ, क्या बोलोगे? 1 कॉफ़ी पिलाऊँ सर, 2 कॉफ़ी पिलाऊँ, 3 कॉफ़ीज पिलाता हूँ? नो, that is not possible. That cannot be counted. So we cannot write them in plural. We cannot put s with them. So those kinds of nouns are called uncountable nouns, such as rice, water, sugar. लेकिन हाँ, अगर हमें इनको प्लूरल में अगर एक्सप्रेस करना ही है तो then we have to use the article with it. Articles are a and the. Articles are a and the. हम ये नहीं कहते गिव मी अ वाटर. नो, वी विल से गिव मी अ ग्लास ऑफ वाटर, गिव मी 2 glasses ऑफ वाटर. हम ये नहीं कहेंगे गिव मी 2 waters. कहेंगे व्हाट अ स्टूपिड इज, कह रहे 2 पानी दे दो. और कोई वहाँ और समझदार हो कहे सर 2 तो नहीं है 4 पानी ले आऊँ, है ना, ऐसा भी हो सकता है. लेकिन वी यूज़ आर्टिकल अ ग्लास ऑफ वाटर और 2 glasses ऑफ वाटर और मैनी glasses ऑफ वाटर. सिमिलरली शुगर के लिए आप कहेंगे तो क्या कहेंगे? अ बैग ऑफ शुगर या मैनी बैग्स ऑफ शुगर. सिमिलरली अ कप ऑफ टी या 2 cups ऑफ टी. ऐसे नहीं कहेंगे कि मेहमान आ गए सर मैं आपके लिए 4 चाय लाऊं. ये कहोगे अब सर क्या मैं आपके लिए 1 कप या 4 कप्स लाऊं? वी कैन काउंट कप, वी कैन काउंट कप्स, बट वी कैन नॉट काउंट टी, वी कैन नॉट काउंट शुगर, वी कैन नॉट काउंट वाटर. आप ये नहीं कह सकते सर ज़रा वो मुझे 5 किलो हवा दे दो. यू कैन नॉट से दैट. एयर इज़ नॉट countable. So I hope noun is clear to you. What is noun? Naming word. It can be anything. Kinds of noun 5. Which are those? Proper, common, collective, material, abstract. Then there are 2 more kinds of noun. One is countable, the other is uncountable. Countables can be expressed in singular as well as in plural. They can be counted, but uncountable nouns cannot be expressed in plurals. Yes, they can be written with the help of article. I hope you understood it. Next time I am going to give you an online test based on the first chapter of your literature. Okay, till then you practice the noun and noun worksheets which will be given to you. And take care, stay at home. Bye bye. Thank you.